Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. You know, I can never just sit down and do nothing. I can never just stand around and do nothing. I always have to be doing something, either standing or something doing sitting, but I can't do both doing nothing. I think that made sense. Anyways, while I have a body drying, as far as clear coat goes, before I can do any wet sanding, that's going to take a few days. And I have its neck right now being clear coated, and I just have to wait for the headstock paint to come in before, so I figured I'd just get it all sealed up and work on the headstock when I get the paint. So what I got in front of me is a guitar body. I am not too sure of what these two pieces of wood are. All I know is they look different, and this is probably going to be the back, or what the back of the guitar body looks like. So we're looking at 2 inches thick here. We're looking at 14.5 and 21.5 as far as overall size goes, and this is pretty fucking heavy. It's got some weight to it. I figured this would look nice, possibly a veneer on top, or maybe just kind of do a dye on this, and let's see what happens with it. Once I get started, I'll start kind of working out the little details after. I figured maybe I'll do a veneer on it, since this is going to be a Les Paul, but it's going to be a 25.5 inch scale length Les Paul with HSH pickups and Strat wiring. 1 volume, 2 tones, 5-way switch. That'll be this. So you guys stay tuned for that. I will catch up with you all later, and yeah. All right, take it easy.